Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you want to start your hair business before 2026, then I will keep watching these videos for you. Hey, my name is Terry and I am a Shopify website designer, mostly in a beauty niche. I would say really the hair niche. These are a couple of the pre-built Shopify websites that I made myself and that are currently available. Now let's jump straight into the video. If you want to know how to start your own hair business before 2026, step one is set up your Shopify store. So of course, I'm going to recommend Shopify because if you're starting your own hair business without any inventory or shipping, Shopify is the best. As you can see, you can start for free, then enjoy $1 a month for 3 months. This is their current plans. If you were to toggle over, click pay monthly. That's how much the basic is. I always recommend the basic. That'll be good enough to start. Step 2 is going to be connect DSER and AliExpress after you went ahead and made your Shopify account. Now, these two apps are your bread and butter when you are starting a hair business with no inventory. These two platforms are what you're going to need. You can download DSER in the Shopify App Store. And pretty much you'll use DSERS to sync hair products straight from AliExpress. This is a couple of hair products from AliExpress. You can pretty much dropship anything. So yeah, you can start your own hair business without any inventory, as long as you got AliExpress and DSERS. Now, if you are interested in a pre-built Shopify hair store, I do have some available. This is one of my current themes, the black theme. We do have different starter kits, so pretty much I will make the website for you, sync the vendor for you. Pretty much I'll do all the hard work so you can focus on what truly matters, like marketing. But yeah, link in the description for more information regarding my pre-built Shopify stores. Step 3 would be add branding like logo, colors, and packaging. If you buy a pre-built store from me, I obviously will have the logo for you, a logo template, and you get to pick your own theme color of the store so it doesn't look like an actual drop shipping store. But pretty much if you want to like order your own packaging, even though you're drop shipping, you definitely can. It's just a way to brand. Pretty much you'll place the order on your vendor's site, ship it to you, and you'll ship that directly to your customer. If you want to do it like that, it's still drop shipping, but you have more branding options. Step 4 would be to launch and promote. So of course you want to order samples. Now I do include a sample with my premium kit depending on which hair kit you get from me, but you don't just want to post stock photos. You want to create lifestyle videos, short form content, maybe different hairstyles, how you can style the hair, how it can be, styled curly or short. You want to promote content that's going to pretty much sell, not just stock photos saying buy my hair. And we can even include a content plan with our hair kit, which we do include depending on which kit you get. Now, this is how it works. You can pretty much build your hair brand from home, even if you're a total beginner. So we do have fully built Shopify stores. You pretty much just pick which kit you want. So if you want to start your own hair business in 2026, we got you. These are the 3 current hair kits we do got: the starter kit, boss kit, and premium kit. As you can see, the prices are down below. And we even include a couple of guides depending on which kit you get. The Learn Your Digital Store guide will be sent with all kits, no matter like what package you get. And then the 30-day hair content plan is only included in the boss and the premium. And then we also have samples, so we can send a bundle sample, which is only included in the premium. But like I said, we have 3 different kits depending on where you think you want to start at. And this is a little bit more into detail about what is included with each kit. Link in the description if you want to know more information. So yes, you can start a hair business from home with no shipping or inventory. Link in the description down below.